Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to paint a silhouette palm tree over a starry night sky background. I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click that notification bell if you enjoy my videos and want to see more from me. Let's get into the video. Okay, I started off with a blank canvas and I painted it using the Chinese white as shown in the video. All of the materials and paints and everything that I use in the video will be listed in the description below. I am now going to go in with a blue paint to create my base color for the background. I chose not to cover the whole entire canvas using the blue because I am now going to go in with a purple, black and pink. With the black I'm using it to darken the top of the canvas, fading it into the other colours. This will create a darker night sky fading into a slightly lighter night sky. I am using the paper towel because I accidentally applied way too much paint and I'm just using it to remove some of it. Okay, I am now applying the white paint to the center of the canvas just to lighten up and brighten the blue, pink and purple to get the paint ready for the silhouette palm tree. I want to keep the lower half of the canvas brighter than the top half. I am now finishing off the background. I've just applied the pink to the bottom of the canvas, blending it up towards the blue. Now I have also applied the white paint and some water to my paintbrush, which I will use to splatter across the canvas to create the stars. have gone ahead and applied some black to the tip of my paintbrush because now it is time to apply the silhouette palm tree. I am also going to outline where I would like the water to be at the bottom of the canvas, and I'm going to place some grass at the base of the palm tree. Once you are happy with your silhouette palm tree and grass, you can go in and add the water. To do this, you need to add layers of paint. It will take a little bit of time, but all you need to do is apply the same colors as what you used on the sky. It needs to mimic the sky to create that reflection, and you also need to add in black into the water to create that reflection of the palm tree. Keep adding layers of paint to the water until you're happy with the result. After that, go ahead and add some stars if you wish. I then went back and added extra detail to the palm tree by applying highlights using white paint. Once you have done that, you are finished. Acrylic painting of evening sky, palm tree next to the beach water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more from me. And until next time, stay creative. Bye.